Scene 1.
Ring, ring, ring. Of course, the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Ring. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with a pillow. Snuggles under the warm blanket, but she knows she has to get up. She mutters to herself.
This alarm clock always ring at 6 and pull me out of the bed. It's so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes.
Something falls, Neha smiles.
Oh, my clock has fallen. Tomorrow I can get up late.
Next morning, there is no alarm, so Neha sleeps and sleeps. The small chippy birds comes to the window seat. Every morning, find Neha still sleeping.
Like a fear, like a fast. Like a fear, like a fast. Neha, get up. Neha, get up. Utha fast. Oh no, if he is not alarm clock this, but why don't they leave me alone? Even this wish of Neha's comes true. The next morning, there are not only no alarm clock, there is no bird either. But there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. Oh, my eyes. Oh, my eyes. Now it doesn't waking me up. Why cannot we let me be? Even this wish of Neha's comes true. Next morning, the sun is behind the clouds. So Neha snows till she hears her mother's voice.